Hello everyone, welcome to my little makeup tutorial, and now we're gonna just get right into it. So I'm getting my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm getting this burgundy-ish, plumish shade and just putting it into my crease with this pretty dense flat brush. Dense? Yeah, I guess that's what it is, because it's really thick and stuff. So, and it's from wish.com. okay, I need to get me some Morphe brushes sooner or later. I think I'm gonna buy myself those for Christmas or whatnot, because I feel kind of weird not telling y'all, you know, these brushes and these names and numbers. They don't have all that. These brushes don't have all that information. It's just brushes or whatever, synthetic brushes. But anyhow, I'm just packing that color onto my crease and building it up until I get the intensity that I actually desired. So yes, just pat onto my crease, pat it onto my lower lash line, and now I'm getting another brush, just like a fluffy brush, and I'm blending out my crease before adding the color that I actually want to add to it. So right now it's not super clean. On the other eye it was clean, obviously, but it's not clean anymore. It still has like residual product of the transition color that I'm about to use. So now I'm gonna take this second eyeshadow. It's a rosy color. It's diagonal from the burgundy-ish plum color that I used before, and I'm I'm just blending it onto my upper crease area to blend out my crease color. And in circular motions for the most part. I'm blending in like small circular motions, and also in those windshield wiper motions also. Circle, circle, swipe, circle, swipe. And then I'm getting this, pretty much, it's a deep orange shade, and I'm using it as an actual transition color. But I'm using like a little bit, just a little bit, tapping off the excess, blowing it out a bit, and just, you know, blending out that color. That second color. Then I'm just repeating the process, because apparently I wasn't that satisfied with the intensity of my crease, so I added more color. And since I added more color, I had to like add all of my other colors and keep blending. Okay, I had to keep blending until my arms felt like they're about to fall off. And now I'm just checking to see my progress on my camera phone, because yes, I have a monitor, but I can't really see that well. Like, the monitor is still kind of far away from me, so I have to have my camera phone in my face to really see if everything's okay. And I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Sand, which is number 20, and I'm just cutting my crease. This crease honestly was not that high. It wasn't as high as the other eye, which is not good. Kind of mess up the look a little bit. Well, that's one mistake that I learned from. I did the same technique. I looked up, whatever, and that's where, well, it could have been higher though. But yeah, so now I'm adding this nice little orangey-ish, just like a pinkish orangey-ish shimmer. It looks kind of orange right here, like more orange than it is in person, but it's really not supposed to look that orange, honestly. But I'm just packing it onto that crease, that cut crease. And now I'm just trying to make my halo with my crease color, trying to blend on my edges. And honestly, I just patted it on. I didn't do a lot of swiping. I mostly patted it on, and then maybe I started swiping a little bit, but it was mostly just patting that crease color onto my outer corners. And I'm adding a little bit black too on top, because I want my outer corners to be a little deeper, of course, because it's a halo. The outer corners got to be a little deep. So then after that, taking a little bit more of that crease color and putting on top of that black to blend it out so it can look more blended. Just pat it on, and adding it onto my lower lash line also. And that's pretty much it. I have other details about my inner corner highlight. I actually didn't add an inner corner highlight yet. I did that after, so I'll give information about that and my lashes and everything. And yeah, what is up, everybody? We're back with the final look. Ooh, child. It's like 11:30 at night, and I gotta work in the morning, but I'm so tempted to not go to sleep because a female is beat. Like, I look poppin'. Anywho, so I put ColourPop's Avalon. I haven't used this in a while, This is a Super Shock Paralyzed Shadow, aka it's a highlighter. I put it in my inner tear ducts and also underneath my brow bone. For lashes, they feel heavy. I've never done this before. I actually doubled up the rainbow lashes. Remember when videos ago I was talking about these lashes, trying them out for the first time, and I hated them? They actually don't look that bad when they're like, I guess, paired on top of each other, honestly. So I used 2 pairs of these lashes that I got from Rainbow. They're the New York Beauty 5-pair false lashes. They're pretty heavy. Not kind of. They're heavy, boo. They're heavy. As part of the lippy, I got the Milani Over Dramatic, a more matte metallic lip cream on my lips. I wanted to be extra. This might not be the best choice of a lippy, but I wanted to be extra, so that's what I did, and I got this on my lips. I like it. This just smells so freaking good. Like, oh, it smells like a cupcake. I actually did use this grayish brownish, this brown grayish lip liner. Well, it's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. So yeah. Oh, I got whatchamacallit, I do have a wing liner too. Got the Areoposa eyeliner. I felt like I was stabbing my eye though with it. Oh, I need new eyeliner because I can't live with this eyeliner anymore. This eye looks better. Which one did I just do? Oh, I just did this one. This eye looks better than this one. I don't know if it's because I'm rushing. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's because I was rushing. Because I remember while I was doing, oh shoot, I was playing with my nose. I felt lazy, so yeah, this eye looking a little lazy. But yeah, thanks so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more holiday looks and glams and stuff. I don't know, I think this is a holiday glam. I wanted to do like a holiday glam kind of thing. I think this is considered as holiday, right? I mean, we got reds and burgundies and pinks. I thought it would look more burgundy than this, but it is what it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And yeah, deuces.